shopping so that I can make sure that I'm eating properly as well. And I'll probably do like a little grocery haul. And then later, if I have time, I'll probably meal prep in this video as well. So if you're interested in watching this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff that'll help someone like little old me out. And I appreciate it. And those of you who are already subscribed, those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. I love you guys. You know your family. And yeah, I'll see you.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
I already put away most of the stuff that I got for my kids, besides what I'm going to cook them for dinner, which is just some fried chicken and fries. This is what they're going to eat for dinner tonight. I'm going to just put this in the fridge. So the rest of this is pretty much for me, besides like some of like this fruit right here is mainly for my kids to use. Alright. So where do we start? I think I'm gonna clean these and cut these and put them up, like meal prep these, because what I'm gonna try, like I'm gonna be honest. So I got this for this and I got some blueberries as well and some granola. I don't really like this, especially not by itself, but I never tried it with fruit and granola. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I like it, because if I don't, it's a waste of money. But I'm gonna try to eat it if I'm like craving something sweet, or you know, just to have like a night snack. Even with me eating only one time a day right now for my 21-day fast, after I eat dinner, I have this, a little cup of this or whatever bowl it is. So this will pretty much already be set once I clean it and stuff. So that's that. Tonight for my dinner and for my meal prep, I'm going to be doing some chicken tenderloins cut up with some shrimp, and y'all know I love jerk. If you don't know that by now, you haven't been watching me. I'm going to make basically a jerk, chicken and shrimp, and I'm going to put it with some like brown rice and probably pair it with some broccoli. I also got this steak, boneless steak, and I'll chop it into two, split it into two. This I'm gonna put away. Brown and wild rice that I got to go with my dinner for tonight. The granola I got, which is the gluten-free oats and honey granola with toasted coconut. Ew, I hate coconut. I'm gonna try it. This rice is for my kids. This is the broccoli that I will be preparing with. These roasted garlic and rosemary potatoes just because I love them. This I got for me. This is what I drink when I'm tired of drinking water or when I'm craving something sweet. I do drink these. It's only 5, 10 calories, so can't go wrong with that. And it's super sweet, it's super good, like for real. Of course, you need your hot sauce, ranch. This is the jerk seasoning. I got the hot kind because it's for me, and I love hot, spicy foods. This is what I'll be using to make my dinner tonight as well. Also got a big bag of extra large shrimp. This is really not the best thing for your diet. I mean, it's 100 calories per serving, so it's not bad. But this is so good. Like, oh my god. Whew, baby, I had it for the first time yesterday. So it's cranberry juice with mango, guava, orange, and that's it. Oh, it's good. It seems like it's more than that. It's so good. This one and the watermelon one, so good. 10 out of 10. Try these little already made meal prep things from Publix. So, if I wanted to be lazy today, I don't really have to meal prep. I could just use these for the next few days, which I don't know. Depending on how long this video is, I may just meal prep another day and just warm one of these. But I really do want my jerk. So the first one is, I got this pepper jack cheese stuffed chicken with Mexican style street corn and cheese. I don't know, for some reason I know it looks kind of crazy, but to me it looks good, especially like thinking of it cooked and warmed up in the oven or air fryer, whichever one. Ooh, yeah, I'm ready to try that one. And then this one is the seafood stuffed salmon with broccoli. Can't go wrong with broccoli, can't go wrong with salmon, just season it up a little bit. And the seafood stuff just got me, that's what won me over. So definitely gonna be eating and trying these soon, and I'll let you guys know how that is, if I can remember. This is a shrimp that I was going to be adding, since it's already peeled and all that kind of stuff. What I'm gonna be adding to my jerk meal, it's just garlic and parsley already on it, so I'll just season it up a little bit, add the jerk, and with add the jerk and the chicken and stuff together. So yeah, I might just cook this tonight. Ready to eat or heat. That's nasty. Definitely gonna cook this a little bit more than what it is, but yeah. And I didn't get much, y'all. Just enough because I'm only eating one time a day because I am fasting and I can only eat after 5 o'clock, and I can only have pretty much a full meal and like a snack if I wanted a snack. So I didn't get much, but I also got this wild salmon steakhouse. It's spicy pepper marinated with hints of garlic and onion. I figured, I just get this because it looked good, and yeah. And y'all know I have to try to get something plant-based. And me being on my new journey of my fitness journey and stuff, I'm not afraid to try new things. I'm not afraid to try vegan things or plant-based things. So I had to get this Beyond Burger. I'm gonna season it up really good. I think I'll probably do a video when I make it. And then it's just some blueberries. So, and that goes with the granola. It looked like I got so much more when I was bringing this stuff in. Well, I did get so much more. I got stuff for my kids, so that's why. But this is pretty much what I got for myself as far as what I be eating and what I'm going to be eating over the next few weeks or so. But yeah, it's that package delivered. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I got today. And yeah, if I decide to cook, like I said, I will bring you guys along. And make sure if you guys are liking these type of videos, or if there's something that you are, like a part in the videos or parts in the videos that you really enjoy watching, let me know in the comments. It's helpful because I don't want to just only give out content that I enjoy doing. Of course, I'm not gonna do fashion hauls or stuff that I used to do in the past when I was on my channel, because that's just not that's not the season that I am in my life. I'm all about, working on getting fitness and getting closer to God and just making myself better in all aspects. I'm not better than anyone else, but I am just trying to make myself better than what I was yesterday, and that's the journey that I'm on. So if you're interested in watching that and watching me grow and growing with me, make sure you guys, drop me some things in the comments, subscribe, and yeah, we'll wrap this up in a little bit, I guess.
every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the
I'm watching this vlog while I am editing my own vlog, and I just noticed that the two girls was talking about eating right and stuff like that, and they were saying how eating right and eating healthy is the hardest part of, you know, getting on your journey of living better and living healthier. I just want to say to somebody, it's really not as hard as you think. It's just the same amount of effort you put into anything you want in life that you stay consistent with, whether it's YouTube, whether it's your job, whether it's trying to have a baby, whatever it is. All you have to do is decide, I'm going to do this today. No excuses. Start it, stick with it, and make it fun for you and make it delicious for you when it comes to food. It don't have to be nasty. It don't have to be nasty. Also, I want to give this warning again. This jerk seasoning right here that I'm using is the hot version. This is the hottest version. If you don't like your food extra spicy, please make sure you get the mild one, because you will be crying if you get this one. Get the mild jerk. This is the hot one. And y'all, don't sleep on this minute rice. I actually got this idea from, I think her name's Keisha Collins. I watch her a lot because, you know, she's an actual like fitness trainer and her body is like sickening. But this rice was so good. I'm going to get this all the time now because this was my first time trying it. It was so good. For 1 minute, you cannot beat that.